You're about to swap your trusty old deadbolt for a gadget that unlocks with a tap, code, or app. Before you do, smash that like button and subscribe. I'm about to save you from door drama, or unlock the future of home entry. The Yale Assure Lock 2, refreshed since its 2022 debut, is a sleeker sequel to the Assure Lock SL. 30% smaller interior, built-in Bluetooth and Apple HomeKit support, no extra module needed like before, plus optional Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, or Matter upgrades for Alexa, Google, or Hubs. Keyless or keyed models start at $160 for keypad, physical buttons, or $180 touchscreen, jumping to $240 plus with Wi-Fi. Features shine with DoorSense for auto-lock smarts, 250 plus codes, app alerts for kiddo arrivals or dog walker drama, and variants like Touch, Fingerprint reader, or Plus, Apple HomeKey Tap Unlock. Battery life hits 6 months on AAs, with a 9-volt emergency tap if dead. Genius for avoiding lockout limbo. But is the upgrade worth it? If you're stuck with SL's clunky module or crave seamless Matter/Thread future-proofing, yes. Reviews praise easier install, wider compatibility, and convenience without fumbling keys. However, some gripe about Wi-Fi battery drain, down to 3 months, sunlight glaring keypads, or finicky auto features needing recalibration. No fingerprint on base models, and Matter delays linger. The verdict? For renters, families, or smart home nerds ditching keys, it's a solid step up. Peace of mind without the bulk. But if your SL works fine, save cash. It's evolutionary, not revolutionary. Skip if you hate app tinkering. Check Yale's site for your fit. What's your lock horror story? Comment below. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe.